At the 12th International Defense Exhibition and Seminar Ideas 2024, Pakistan has made a significant leap in unmanned aerial vehicle technology with the unveiling of the Shahpar 3 drone. This next-generation drone, developed entirely in Pakistan, showcases the country's growing defense capabilities. The Shahpar 3 is an advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicle which stands out due to its impressive specifications. Weighing 1,650 kilograms, this drone is capable of carrying a variety of payloads, making it a versatile asset for Pakistan's defense forces. Notably, it can stay airborne for up to 30 hours, providing extended operational capabilities in the field. Developed by Global Industrial and Defense Solutions (YIDS), the Shahpar 3 incorporates cutting-edge avionics and flight control systems that were designed and produced locally. This marks a milestone in Pakistan's efforts to advance its defense technology and reduce reliance on foreign imports. The drone's unveiling at Ideas 2024 emphasizes Pakistan's progress in defense self-sufficiency. The event has garnered attention from over 55 countries, including major international players, highlighting Pakistan's growing role in the global defense sector. Ideas 2024 has become a key platform for showcasing technological innovations. With more than 500 exhibitors displaying their latest advancements in defense systems, the Shahpar 3 is a continuation of the Shahpar series, with the earlier Shahpar 1 and Shahpar 2 drones also making significant contributions to Pakistan's UAV fleet. Asad Kamal, CEO of GIDS, stated that the Shahpar 3 represents 30 years of hard work and innovation, reinforcing Pakistan's commitment to bolstering its national defense. As Pakistan moves forward with enhancing its technological prowess, the Shahpar 3 serves as a powerful symbol of its growing capabilities in the global defense market. Stay tuned for more updates on this and other exciting developments from Ideas 2024.